got a huge list of pictures to try and tick off for sponsors and a few shots for the designers. They want to have a look at the boat from different angles that they don't get to see every day. Well, we got the nod from Shub, so we're going to take off and go and try and find. Back at the office now with all the cards. Just looked through about the first 500 and seems to be quite a good selection. Always shoot a lot of pictures when I go in a helicopter. You know, it's not the sort of thing you want to have to repeat because you didn't get the shot, so we shoot every angle. I've probably got a full day of editing tomorrow just to sort it down to maybe 100. I think we'll get plenty. I just hope the sponsors are, get enough to meet all of the demands of all the different guys,